Hello, thank you for tuning into a Century training video. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to change your user password. Okay, so when you log into the system at this main dashboard, okay, what you do is you look for your name. Okay, uh, look for this square. It may not be a A, it could be some other alphabet depending on the user ID first character. Okay, so basically click on this one and then go to my profile. Okay, so over here under account security, you will see this change password prompt. Okay, click on it and then enter the existing password, okay, that you want to change to. Then you need to confirm the new password that you want to change. Okay, so once you're done, click on change password. Okay, you'll be logged out, so you just need to log in again to with your new password to test it out. Okay, yeah, done. Okay, so this is how you change password. Should you have any other questions, please put it in the support group chat. Thank you.